What's good, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and today we have the Jordan 13. Got the gray box, red Jumpman on the top, and you do have the OG style box. The label is the only thing that's different from the OG style box. So you have a white label with a gray, and you do have the RFID chip behind it. You can see it through the camera. You can see it behind the label. So we have the Air Jordan 13 Retro Black Hyper Royal Black White paper. Alright, so we got the Jordan 13 Hyper Royal clean colorway. The bottom is white, blue, and black. Do have that Jumpman right there in blue, the hologram with the black Jumpman, carbon fiber in black and white, black and Hyper Royal blue midsole, and you have that suede on the side panel right here. Then you have that 3M on the side panel, which I love. The 3M, I love the 3M, and I love the leather. The 3M, I think I like the 3M a little bit more because it just give an extra pop. You got a royal blue Jordan on the front right there, and behind that you do have the Roman numeral 13 behind the flap. You got a black leather toe box. The leather is not too bad on these. It would have been good if they give you a nice premium leather on the toe box, because it's just like a little piece of leather on the toe box. It's not like a lot of leather they're gonna be using. It's just that the toe box. So I don't know why they don't give you a nice premium leather hit on the toe box. You do have that nubuck tongue with the perforation going up, black laces. You got the royal Jumpman on the tongue right there. You got the 3M on the medial. Behind the tongue, sock liner is black, insole is black, and you do have a royal Jumpman on the insole. So you do have the hologram right here in the back. You have the 23 and the Jumpman, and you got the plastic over it. Now I'm feeling these. These are pretty dope in my opinion. It's just opposite of the bread 13s. So you got the blue, and the colorway is pretty dope. There's no major quality issue with these. These are a cop, man. In my opinion, these are definitely a cop. And in person, the Hyper Royal kind of look a little purple in person. On camera, it definitely looked blue, but when you see it in person, you could definitely see like it got like a little purplish color to it. Because, like, for example, look at the, well, actually you can't see it in the camera, but the blue on the Jumpman on the tongue is different than the suede. If you see it in person, you know what I'm talking about. I'll show y'all the other foot. And like I said, they're the opposite of the bread. Let me show y'all a quick look at the bread real quick. After this video, I'm gonna do a quick comparison video, so look out for that. Alright, so I'm gonna show y'all what the 3M look like, and then we're gonna get to the on foot. Alright, so this is what the 3M look like. The 3M is crazy on these. I really don't understand why they took the 3M off on the 2013 pair. Like, it's crazy. Like, look at the 3M on these. Why would you not want to have this? Yeah, the 3M is definitely hitting on these, man. Alright, so like this video, subscribe if you're new, and stay tuned for the on foot.
Perfect.